Think broccoli stems are just for the compost? Think again. Here are 7 surprising reasons why you should be eating them. First, here's a quick tip. Peel the tougher outer layer of broccoli stems for a tender, delicious addition to your meals. Benefit number 1. These stems are packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium. Just one more reason to love broccoli. Benefit number 2. They're high in fiber, which supports your digestion and promotes gut health. Adding broccoli stems to your meals can help keep things moving smoothly. Benefit number 3. Low in calories, high in flavor. Broccoli stems are perfect for those watching their calorie intake without sacrificing nutrition. Here's an extra boost. Broccoli stems are also rich in sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-cancer properties. Benefit number 4. Loaded with antioxidants. Broccoli stems help your body fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Benefit number 5. Strong bones, anyone? With calcium and vitamin K, broccoli stems help support your bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Benefit number 6. Want glowing skin? Thanks to their high vitamin C content, broccoli stems can support healthy skin and boost collagen production. Benefit number 7. Broccoli stems promote heart health. Their fiber, antioxidants, and potassium help lower cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. The best part? These versatile stems can be added to all sorts of meals, soups, stir-fries, salads, even smoothies. How do you use your broccoli stems? Let us know in the comments. Fun fact: broccoli stems were traditionally used in soups before florets became the star of the show. So, next time you're chopping broccoli, don't toss the stems. Keep them for a nutritious boost. Like this video? Subscribe for more healthy tips to fuel your life. See you in the next video, and happy cooking.